Hi, today I'm for the Realme 10 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the Play Store and in the search pool we should enter green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this first application, that's why we should tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app and click Enable in Settings. Near green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher and tap to activate. Then go back, click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now click No Thanks here, so the process is finished. Let's use the search to see the new look of the keyboard. And we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as the all of these emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.